On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience, and without investing any money. This method is a fail-proof method, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. An affiliate network is a website where you can get affiliate offers to promote. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Store24, but if you don't want Store24, you can search for ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Max Bounty, and any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Store24. Store24 is available worldwide. They have a lot of different methods of payment that you can use to receive your money anytime you earn a commission on this website. So if you want, you can search for Store24. Once you search for it, create your free accounts and then begin to promote offers. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on it, you can be able to get offers to promote. You can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. As a school, you can see many different offers that you can promote. One good thing about these offers is that the commission is high. Most of them, the commission rate is very high. So even if you get 2 sales, 3 sales per day, you can be making up to $300 or $500 per day. Another good thing about this website is that the product has been grouped into different categories. So any category of product that you want, you can click on it and then get offers to promote. For example, if you want digital products, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you can see the subcategories of digital products. You can see they have business and investment, betting system, animals and pets, dancing and music, computer and internet, education, email marketing, family and children. There are many of them. As a school, you can see different categories of digital products that you can promote. Apart from digital products, you can promote physical products. So all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, shipping products. These are physical products that you can promote. So when you click on it, you can see they have skincare products and they have food supplements. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then find offers to promote. Once you select an offer, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source. So all these products, you can promote them. You don't need an approval to promote them, but one challenge is that you need a traffic source where you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a high quality traffic source that you can use to get many people to click on your affiliate link. As you can see on the traffic source, many people are already using it and they are getting results. You can see right here, someone has posted items on this website and you can see the number of views that the fellow got, 13,170 views. You can see this one, 31,510 views. You can see the next one, 9,000 views. There are many of them. People are posting on this website that I'm about to show you and they are getting results. You can see this one right here, the fellow got 121,360 views. You can see. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how you can also get these views promoting your affiliate offers. What we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be promoting up to 5 products or more. So we are not going to be promoting one product today. What we want to do is that we want to create a list of 5 products that we can promote using the traffic source that I'm about to show you. To promote the 5 products, you can choose any category. So if you want, you can click on digital products. Once you click on digital products, click on business and investment. Once you click on it, you can select 5 products under the business and investment and then promote them. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select 5 or more and then promote them together. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting physical products. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the shipping products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select food supplements. I'm going to be promoting 5 food supplements. So you can see them right here. Once you open it like this, the next step is that you have to create a list of the 5 offers that you want to promote. You can see I have already created a list. You are going to create a list like this. You can see these are my top 5 food supplements. You can see the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. You can create up to 5 or more. You can see these are my list. Now once you have the list, let me show you how I got the list. You can see the first one is Pineal XT. When you come on day 24, you can see this is the offer. So I just selected 5 of these supplements and then wrote some short note about them on a Word document. You can see I just selected 5 of these products. Now once you have the 5 products and you have written some brief information about them just like this, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the offers that you selected. So you have to now come on this website listly.com. Listly is a website where you can list 5 items or 2 items. It depends on the number of lists that you want. You just create a list and then post them onto this website so that people can view your list and then click on any link that you want them to visit, so you can promote your offers on this website. They have premium version and they have free version. So what you need to do is that you have to use the free version. Once you are able to get the results, you can then proceed and use the premium version. You have to start with the free version. So make sure you start with the free version. If you are getting results, you can then test the pro version. Now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So just click right here, sign in. Once you click on sign in, if you don't have an account, you need to create one. So you can sign in by using your Google account. You can sign in by using your LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or if you don't want that, you enter your email address, password. Once that is done, click on sign up so that you can sign up for a free account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, people have posted different lists on this platform. You can see this list right here. Top 10 33 digital marketing blogs. This is another list. There are lists under different categories. You can see a whole lot of different lists. You can see best history books. As I scroll down, you can see different lists. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to post our list of food supplements on this platform. To make a list, what you have to do is that click right here, make a list. Once you click on it, a page is going to open like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your list. As you can see, I've already done that ahead of time. You can see this is the name of my list, top 10 food supplements. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the name of your list. Highlight and copy. You can create any kind of list that you want. This is just an example. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste your list here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your list, you can see magazine. You can click on it and then select any of these that you want. You can see simple list layout. You can see a whole lot of different list layout that you can select. Select any of them that you want. In this case, we are going to select magazine, live, images, highly visual. Just select that. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to give a description to your list. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your list. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of your list. Highlight and copy it. You can see this is just some brief information about food supplements. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see tag your list. So what you have to do is that you have to add some tags so that your list will be ranked high on this website for you to get many people to click on your link and then purchase the affiliate products that you are promoting. So what we are going to do is that we are going to type something like food. So type food. Once that is done, you have to type supplement, press enter. Once that is done, you can type nutrient. Just enter as many tags as you want so that you can get many people to click on it. So list of food items, list of food. As considered has been done, you can add many tags to it so that your list will be ranked high. Once you add the tags, if you want, you can make your list private or you can make it public. In this case, I'm going to leave it public, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, click right here, add items. Once you click on add items, you can see your list has been created. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the name of the products that you are promoting. You can see you can add text, links, photos, videos, audios, profile, place, product, and then a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to add text, so click on text. Once you click on it, you have to give the name of the product and then an image of the product. Once you click on it, you can see name. Now you have to add the name of the product that you are promoting. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come back on the Word document that are listed the product. So just come on Word document. You have to also list your products like this. Now once you come back, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the name of your product. Once you come back, paste the name of the product here. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to upload an image of the offer that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, type the name of the product and then click on search. So so that you can find images of the offer that you are promoting. Once you search for the name of the product, what you have to do is that you have to select images. Once you click on images, you can see these are images of the offer that you are promoting. Now what you have to do is that you have to download the image. To download the image, right click on the offer image. Once you right click on it, you have to select save image as. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. This is the offer image. Now what you have to do is that you have to write a brief description of the offer and then paste it here. So you have to come back on your Word document. You can see I've written a brief description of the offer. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste the description here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can type a call to action. For example, you can type something like click here to learn more, something like this. Once you type your call to action, you have to come back on this 224. Once you come back, you have to copy your affiliate link so that you can insert it in your call to action. You can see this is the product. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has opened. Click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back. Once you come back on display, highlight your call to action and then click right here, link. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste it, click on OK, and you can see your affiliate link has been inserted. When you click the preview, you will see everything about your link. You can see this is how it is going to appear. Once that's done, you can add tags to your item. So you can add some tags. So let's say food. You can add food supplement. You can add as many tags as you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, one more. Once you click on one more, a page is going to open like this. Click right here, text. Once you click on it, it is going to open like this. Now what you have to do is that you come to the next product, copy the name of the product, highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight it, you are going to come back on literally, paste it right here. Just follow the same steps that we did for the first one so that you can add all the 5 products that you are promoting. So I'm going to do that and come back to you and then add your list like this. You can see everything. I'll be able to link my affiliate link in each of these supplements. So anytime people read the list, they can be able to get access to the products through my affiliate links. Once they purchase the products, I'm going to be paid a commission. Now once you have your list, the next step is that you have to click right here, save all. Once you click on it, everything has been saved. You can see saving 2 out of 5. You can see everything has been saved. Now when you scroll down, you can see your list. You can see this is the list. You can see that it looks good. You can see my affiliate link right here. When you move to the next product, you can see this is my affiliate link. When you move to the next one, you can see this is my affiliate link. When you scroll to the next one, you can see this is my affiliate link. So take the time and then create a list like this. You can see the name of the product, the image. When you scroll down, you can see this is my affiliate link, and you can see this is a short description of the product. This is a nice list. Also create it like this. Once you create your list like this, it has been published onto the platform. People can now see it and then click on your affiliate links so that they can purchase the products for you to make money. If you want to view it on the website, you can click right here, take me to my list. Once you click on it, you can see these are your lists. You can see everything in your list. So now what you have to do is that you have to create another list under different category. To create another list, click right here, make a list. Once you click on it, you can be able to create a different list and then publish it onto this platform. So make sure you keep on creating different lists and then insert your affiliate links so that you can get a lot of people to purchase the products for you to make money. Create as many lists as you want on this platform. Apart from affiliate marketing, you can also create your digital products and then sell them online. What you have to do is that you have to check at the description of this video. I have a guide that will show you step by step on how to create and sell your own digital products. Check the link and then click on it so that you can be able to get access to the guide. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.